Guys, today's topic is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. We categorize or we study nervous tissue in two parts. First is neuron, and another one is neuroglia cells, which are the accompanying or which are not the part of nervous tissue, but they conduct a very important role here. We will discuss it. Neuroglia, or we can say it as glial cell. First of all, neuron. For regarding neuron, we just first of all these are the characteristics, some characteristics of neuron. There's a first is brain, spinal cord, and nerves, or all composed of nervous tissues. It is made of highly specialized cells called nerve cells, or neurons. We just note it here, neurons. It has the ability to receive wait, receive stimuli from within or outer the body hair. Now guys, the next one is it conduct impulse to different parts of the body, which travels from one neuron to another neuron. Nerve cell do not divide. Nerve cell do not divide it here. Each sorry, uh, each neuron has following three parts. First, cell body or cytone. Second is the long extended part of it, that is called axon. And third one, where it transmits impulse from one to another part, is called nerve impulse or a neuron end. Neuron end. These are the three parts of neuron. I'm just going to a diagram. These structures are called dendroids. It's a nucleus. These red dots are called neuroglia cells or nasal granules. These cells are myelinated sheets which are made up of Schwann cells. Schwann cells. These are the synaptic knob or synaptic bulb. This portion is called cell body or cytone. This portion is called, this one, axon, and this portion is called nerve end or neuron end here. So we just distinguish them. Functions: cytone or a cell body which contains a central nucleus or prominent nucleus with cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm is located in this portion. Cytoplasm, it is in a neuron cell, so we can say it as neuroplasm. It's a cytoplasm with characteristics stain particles called nasal granules, and these nasal granules are made up of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and they appear brown in color or a gray in color. We just write it here, gray color. Or that's why the portion of brain which having called as a gray matter is due to this cytone. Dendrons, which are short processing from cytone, they receive impulse from nerve ending of previous neuron. Next is long assessment of cytone is called axon. When a dendrite is long assisted, it's called axon here. Now it's a neuroglia or glial cells. These are non-nervous cells which lie in between the neurons of central nervous system, ganglia, and retina of the eye. These are mainly 10 times approx more numerous than neurons. They are more in number than neurons.